Hello world. In this video we will learn what is jQuery and how to use jQuery. I am Mohit Kapoor and let's start. So jQuery is a JavaScript library which gives us features like easily handling of HTML events, animations, and AJAX call to request data from the server and to manipulate the document object model of HTML. So this is the official website of the jQuery, jQuery.com, and the tagline of jQuery is write less, do more. In jQuery, we write the less code and it performs the more actions as compared to JavaScript. And to download jQuery, jQuery.com/download. Go here. We can use the jQuery in two ways. First, by downloading and including it in our HTML page, and secondly, using the CDN link, Content Delivery Network link. In this video, I will be using Google CDN link. So this is the Google CDN link for the jQuery, and in this path, there will be a jQuery. So as we know, jQuery is a basically JavaScript library, so it contains the JavaScript code, and this link will contain this jQuery. Look, this is all JavaScript code. So let's start. So this is the output of our page, and this is the code for this page. So firstly, we will include jQuery using the CDN link. This is the CDN link. You can get it from here, jQuery/download, and from the CDN, any of the link. And this is the Google CDN link. Just copy this and paste it inside your head tag. Now, in the script tag, we will write $sign and start bracket, write document and dot, now write ready, and there will be a function inside this ready is also a type kind of function. So document.ready function, it it means that when the whole document is loaded, means this whole HTML documents is get loaded, then the code inside it will be executed. So if I write document dot write hello world, so this document dot write or this code will be executed only after when the whole document this whole document gets loaded, and this document dot ready function will take care of this. So if I save this file and refresh the browser, so hello world will come. So we are using the CDN link of the jQuery. If you want to use the jQuery offline, you can either download from the this jQuery from the jQuery website from here. I had already downloaded a jQuery file, so in the source file I will provide the path of my jQuery file, means the local path of the jQuery in my system. I am using the jQuery.js here because this jQuery file is inside in the directory where I have this HTML page. HTML page and jQuery both are in the same directory. So now save the page and refresh the browser. Hello world. Thank you for watching this video and keep on learning.